Welcome to Baby Need. This channel is about giving tips for women who are planning for pregnancy or going through pregnancy. Also, we give information on your responsibilities in taking care of your baby. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about maternity bag checklist. It's a list of the items that you will want to bring with you to the hospital. The items on this list should be brought in your personal bag and not in a bag from the hospital. You should also bring your insurance card and any other important papers with you. The hospital packing list is a list of all of the items that are provided by the hospital, including what clothing to wear, what baby supplies to bring, and what food will be served during your stay. It's important that you take note of these things so that you don't forget anything when it's time for delivery. Packing for the hospital is a lot more complicated than packing for a vacation. There are many items you'll need during your stay that you might not have thought of. It can be quite stressful and confusing to know what to pack. You want to make sure you have everything you need, but at the same time, you don't want to pack too much. This list contains clothes, toiletries, and other necessities for your baby. Hospital bag essentials: a change of clothes for you and baby, slippers or flip-flops, a robe or pajamas, your favorite snacks and beverages, pacifier or bottle for baby after the birth, phone charger, toothbrush, paste, nursing bras and pads, a few pairs of socks, some books if you are interested in book reading after you join the hospital. In some cases it will take long time to get the delivery pains, then you have to wait few hours, and book reading might a good option. It's always a good idea to have a few items in your bag that you can use to take care of yourself and your baby. Some of the items you may want to include related to baby are baby wipes, diapers, breast pads or nursing pads, nipple cream, if breastfeeding, nursing bra or sports bra, if breastfeeding. Extra clothes for mom and baby. Labor and delivery can be a very difficult time for many women. They are often dealing with pain, anxiety, and a lot of other emotions. It is important to make sure that the woman has everything she needs to feel comfortable during this time. Women should wear clothes that are comfortable for them, but it is also important to keep in mind their hospital gowns or postpartum clothes that they will need after delivery. Many hospitals provide these items for the new mothers, but if this is not the case, then it is important to bring your own clothing with you when you go into labor. In order to have a happy and healthy stay at the hospital, you need to pack the following items: a change of clothes, comfortable slippers or shoes, a nightgown or pajamas, a robe, underwear and socks, a toothbrush and toothpaste, soap, shampoo, and conditioner, deodorant. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also comment your questions in the comment box below.